So we were doing this, right? Okay, if you remember, right?
Yes, sir.
So we said that how we are going to do? We are always going to start with mole A by A, mole B by B, mole C by C, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And if we know the mole of one substance, then we are able to calculate the mole of the other substances also. And I think, yeah, here, so today we'll do this page. But so I want you to go through certain problems. For example, this is here interconverting mass and moles. See, okay. So this is the first problem. We'll discuss it together. Then you'll do 3.7 and 3.8. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing is how many moles of glucose, which is used to treat low blood sugar, are in a tablet containing 2 grams. Okay. So mass is given, right? So how
Yeah.
do we calculate mass? The moles, we divide given mass by molar mass, right?
Yes, sir.
So for C6H12O6, how we are going to calculate the molar mass? There are 6 carbon, each carbon is 12, right?
Yes, sir.
There are 12 hydrogen, each hydrogen is 1, and there are 6 oxygen, which is each oxygen is 16.
Yeah.
So it will be 72 plus 12 plus 96, right?
Yes, sir.
And it turns out to be 180 gram per mole. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So once we know this, we are going to divide 2.00 gram divided by 180 gram per mole. And once we are done with this, we'll get this value. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is now you have to calculate 3.7 and then you have to do 3.8. Got it?
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. So you can use calculator, Ritika. Okay. We use
Yeah, yeah,
calculators
sure.
as I told you in the last class. Okay.
Yes, sir. And what is it for NA again? 23?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. If you need to ask anything, you ask. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We send you more questions.
Sure,
Yes.
yes, sir.
And yeah, because
0.06
okay. Next,
moles, yeah.
you also have got the cold, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I also had. Now I'm much better, but
Oh, yeah, it's the weather, it's very bad.
yeah, not bad. The weather. I like Bangalore weather, but yeah, I'm eating ice creams and drinking cold water and
Yeah,
drinking
yeah.
cold drinks.
So it's like one day it's sunny, one day it's
Yes,
very
yes, yes.
cold.
That is there. That is there. But yeah, this like I really enjoy this weather. It's much better than having the sunny weather and all
Yeah,
those.
yeah, yeah. Should I do 3.8?
Yes, 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 yes. 3.8 also.
Glucose is C6H12O6.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Same as.
So number of moles is equal to mass, given mass divided by molar mass, right? So
Yes, yes. So how much you?
180, 1 second, 180 into.
Yes, yes. Yes. Like I told you, you can.
Yeah, I'll use the calculator 1 sec.
Yes, yes, yes. India, they will not allow you to use the calculator. It is like, we have the aeroplane, but you should travel by foot.
Yeah.
Huh?
149.94. 150 almost.
Grams, huh?
Yeah.
How many grams? How do we calculate the grams once we know the moles?
So you do like now. So I first found the molar mass, which is 180 gram per mole.
Yes.
Then number of mass is equal to given mass by molar mass. So you substitute the values. So you get, so given mass is equal to number of moles into molar mass.
Yes.
So that is 15 grams.
Yes. 14.99. Yes, 15 grams. Nice. Yes. Okay. This is correct. Very good. Now a typical tablet contains, now you do this, huh? Continue with this.
Yeah. So in this case, will the number of moles be the number of tablets to be eaten?
See, we know that one tablet has 3.75 grams, right?
Yeah.
And the requirement is how much?
Uh,
15 gram,
okay,
right?
that,
Yeah,
okay.
got
Yeah.
it?
Oh, okay.
It's just common tension. Don't take tension. Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Very, don't worry. You
15
must have got some really bad teachers, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
They are what Padmavati madam, huh?
Yeah. 4 grams.
4 tablets.
4 tablets, yeah.
Right? And then finally, the part C.
How many molecules of glucose are it? Okay. 5.06. Sorry, okay, 0.833 into Na.
Yes, 0.0833 into Na. But can you also tell me the number?
Yeah, 5.016 into 10 to the power 22.
Nice, nice, nice. See, you are able to do all these questions. Huh? Okay, now whatever I've told you, right? Mole A by A, mole B by B, mole C by C, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for this. Now, just read this and do by our method. Huh? Okay, don't do by this method. Okay, I just want to, and this is a solved one. Okay, so you know the equation also, huh?
Yeah.
And balance equation is given, and you also know that there are 25 grams Cl2. Okay,
Yeah.
so start. Okay, now the question is how many gram of NaOH are needed? Huh? So you have to relate these two. Huh? Got it?
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
we'll just do this. Mole NaOH by 2 is equal to mole Cl2 by 1, right?
Yeah.
And mole Cl2 I can calculate given
Yeah.
mass by molar mass of Cl2. Okay,
Yeah.
got it?
Yeah, got it. Got it.
I think 35.45, so 70.9 gram per mole. I think 70.9. So I know the moles of this, then I can calculate the mole of NaOH, right?
Yes, sir.
I just want to check if it is what is how much they have taken for
What have they done here?
70.9. Yes. Yeah, sorry. What?
No, no. I just was asking. They've done something completely different.
No, forget about them. Huh? Okay. Okay. Don't
Yeah.
take them into account. Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Because what I have taught you, you won't find in any book. Huh?
Yes, sir.
It's so easy, right? Everything to relate, right? We are thinking.
Yeah.
See, the main thing is we have to simplify our thinking, and our thinking is simplified in the sense that, okay, we immediately understand that what we have to do is we have to calculate the moles of the required species, and then we multiply it by its molar mass, and I'll get it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it.
So what do I do now?
Now you know the moles.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You solve this one, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Because I just told you what we have to do, and then
Yeah.
we have to get the answer. Huh? Okay.
So I can 70.9. I can take it as 71, right?
No, I've given you calculator. Huh?
Okay, but in school can I?
No, not in school also. Okay.
Okay.
In school you can actually, but not here. Huh?
Okay.
School you can make it, and in the school they will tell you that it is 35.5 only, but actually it is 35.45. Okay.
Okay. So you got 0.352.
What is the unit, Ritika?
1 second. 0.352 into 0.704 moles. So that's equal to
I will also give you this, the dimensions are of great help. So if you know the mole, and if you have to find the final answer is gram, then whatever you have to multiply, it must have the unit of gram per molar.
yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, so mole of NaOH is 0.704.
Yes.
So
So in order to calculate its mass, what we have to do?
0.704 into molar mass, which is what, 23 plus 1 second.
Yeah, take your time.
Which is 40.
Yes. Very
Do you
nice.
multiply it by 2? 40 into 2 because 2 NaOH.
Oh, no, 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 2 see, from here, you know the mole of Cl2, right?
Yeah,
So how do we calculate mole of NaOH? It is twice the mole of Cl2, right?
yeah,
So what number was that?
0.704.
Okay, then you know the mole of NaOH, then you just multiply it by the gram per mole, right?
Okay, so no 2
No, two.
because
Two is already accounted for here, huh?
I didn't.
Right?
Yeah,
So you know the moles, you just multiply it by its molar mass. Got it?
yeah, which is 28.16 grams.
28.16 gram, huh? Nice.
Yeah,
Let's see what we have. See, there is the same, huh? 28.2. So if you round off 1.16, you'll get the same. Huh? Right?
yeah, yes, sir.
This. Huh?
Yeah,
Okay. See, you are see, now you can do, huh? So now what you have to do is
yeah,
now you go to 3.9 and then you go to 3.10. Got it?
yeah,
Yes, very nice, very nice. See, Ritika, what the idea is, it is just like a gym class. Okay, you have joined a gym. I'm the instructor. I'll just tell you how to exercise, but in order to become fit, you have to exercise, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is what you are doing. Huh? Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Just do, and if you don't understand, because this thing is going to build your confidence, huh, that you are able to do. That is the most important thing.
Yes, sir. And also, for rounding off of the numbers, it's just whatever is above 5, you take it above and,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. There are some other rules also. Actually, what happens is that suppose if it is 0.65, huh, okay, 7.65, and if I want to round it off, then I will not round it off to 7.7, huh, okay, because this
Oh,
will
okay.
become odd. But if it is like 7.55, then I will round it off to 7.56. But don't worry about rounding, huh, right now, okay? Okay.
Okay, but can we do that one class?
Yeah. It's already in first chapter. After this class, I'll show you. Huh? Okay, just go through that.
Yeah.
If you don't, you'll understand everything. Don't worry. Everything is my problem. I already told you. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You just tell me what you have to do, and it'll get done. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
whatever I tell you, you have to do that. Okay, and you'll understand everything. Okay, that is how
Yes, sir.
this works. Huh? You don't have to bother about anything.
Is this reaction balanced?
You check.
Yeah. I will. Okay, yeah, it's balanced. So one second. Sorry, sir. It's taking a little time.
Don't worry, okay?
Yeah.
Takes time, huh? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, just relax, okay? The usual time is 1 hour. I'll just give you some. We'll have some more minutes, okay? Don't bother. You don't have any class right after this, right?
No.
Okay, okay. Then just relax and do. Okay. We are more focused on doing it correctly. It'll take time. Go slow. Okay. Once you have understood, then you can go fast. Huh? Okay. A child does not start running immediately. First, he is taking a lot of time and just standing up, just walking around. That is how it is. Okay.
Yes, sir. Three point 325 grams.
3 point
325.
3.325. I think 3.325 gram is correct answer. Let me check. Give me 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Sure.
In the meantime, you can continue with 3.10. Huh?
Yeah.
How much you got?
3.325.
Yeah, that's correct. Continue with 3.10. Huh?
Yes, sir.
See, so the idea is we know the balanced equation. We do mole A by A, and 1 mole will be given. We calculate the moles of whatever I want. Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So moles of salicylic, is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, salicylic acid.
Yeah, salicylic acid is equal to divided by 1 is equal to moles of aspirin divided by 1.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah. Don't be afraid of committing mistakes, okay?
yes, sir.
Okay. See, think of mistakes as simply as pointers which are going to tell you what you need to improve. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Instead of making a judgment call on yourself. Got it? See, the difference between great people and the middle class people is that middle class people think that mistakes are something bad, huh? Okay? But Elon Musk does not think that, huh? He has blasted many rockets.
Yes, sir.
So, and every time he's getting some feedback from it and so on and so forth, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the way you have to think. That okay,
Yeah.
this is happening and so on and so forth. This is trying to tell me something. I need to learn something. That is how everything is improved. Only in India they want you to be perfect, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is not how we learn. Okay.
Yeah. 7.59 grams, which is 7.6 grams.
Yes, it is correct. Part A is correct. Very good. Now next.
Or 33 grams.
33 grams, I think, is the correct answer. Oh. Check again.
Oh, okay. Moles of aspirin is 0.55.
Okay, nice. Somewhere
what,
maybe a factor of 10, error factor of 10.
what do they mean by formed as a byproduct?
Sorry?
No, what do they mean by formed as a byproduct?
See, basically what they mean is that when we are reacting these two, this is the main product we are aiming at. Okay, we are
Yeah.
trying to synthesize aspirin, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So byproduct
Yeah.
means the side product which we'll get. Okay. So
Oh, okay.
okay, that's it.
So does that matter in this case at all?
Sorry.
Does that matter in this case? Like, it'll just be moles of aspirin divided by
Nothing will matter. We will go like mole by mole b by. In this particular case, I know the mole of aspirin, right?
Yeah, it's 0.55.
So if the moles will be same, mole of aspirin will be equal to moles of acetic acid, right?
Yeah, so then I did 0.55 into 60, which is acetic acid's.
Which is 0.55 into 60 is how much? 33.3. So I think yours is correct and here the answer is incorrect maybe. Okay. So now you have understood this, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do some more problems regarding this, Ritika. So we'll go and at the end there are problems here, okay? Because I
Yeah.
want that whatever concept we are doing, right? You should be able to do questions regarding it, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. And these are the questions now you'll be able to, you don't have to.
Okay, so doing it based on mass, right?
Sorry.
Until now, we're doing based on mass.
See, forget whatever you are. Do not mix whatever that Padma is teaching you or wherever other coaching you are going. Okay.
Oh, I don't go for any coaching.
Okay, then you are doing with Padma this mass and this. No, no, we do everything with this only. Okay,
Okay.
okay. We calculate the moles and then we go ahead. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Whether it is
Yes.
molarity or whatever, everything the fundamental unit is mole, right? Out of those 7 units, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you scared me, huh? So, let's. I think there were more questions there, but let's you do 3.60, huh?
Okay.
And then you do 3.62. See, this is how they're confusing students. This mass by mass, volume, this, that. We will focus only on moles. We'll calculate the moles and we'll use mole A by A, mole B by B, huh?
Yes, sir.
And then once we know the moles for the mass, we just simply multiply it by molar mass. That's it.
So balanced equation is 2Fe2O3 plus 3C. Oh, it's CO. Okay, 1 second.
Yes, yes, yes. Check, 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 check.
Okay, then got it. I took it as C, so I'll redo it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I'll just tell the balanced equation.
Yeah, what is it?
Fe2O3 plus 3CO. It gives 2Fe plus 3CO2.
Yes. 2Fe2O3 plus 3C gives.
So can you repeat?
How many Fe? 1 second, just let me check this.
So it's only one Fe2O3. That's what I got.
No, on the right hand side, what is the coefficient for Fe?
2.
Why? How many Fe on the left hand side?
2.
2 or 4?
2.
You have written 2 Fe2O3, right?
No, I've written just Fe2O3.
Okay, then what your equation is Fe2O3 plus?
3CO
Okay.
gives 2 Fe.
You are putting 3 here, right? Right?
Yeah, 3. Then in the right hand side, 2.
And this, I think
3
everything is
CO.
balanced. 2 Fe
Yeah.
is balanced. 3 and 3 oxygens are
Yeah.
also balanced. Right?
Yeah.
And 3 carbons are also balanced,
Yeah.
huh? So everything is balanced. Okay. One sec. I think
Yeah. So,
forget this one. I'm just taking this out. Do 3.60.
I did 3.61,
Right?
I
Yeah,
think.
3.60 you do.
First I did 3.60. That was 2 Fe2O3 plus 3C gives 4 Fe plus 3O2.
Plus 3 CO2,
3 CO2. Yeah.
Okay. Then do the part B
I
for
thought I
3.60.
Yeah. Continue, sir. I'll do the 3.60 now.
Yeah, 3.60B. Part
Yeah.
B, part C.
Yeah. Yeah. The hematite is Fe2O3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And so what is Fe's
56.
okay.
I'll send you a link for periodic table. Buy it and put it in
Yeah.
front of the desk.
Sure. Yes, sir. So, but the ones we are like, which are not very common, like other than carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and maybe iron, they'll give, right?
Yes. You're worried about the wrong reason. Okay. You just focus on all this. In all the exams it is given.
Okay.
I told you this yesterday also. Okay.
Yeah.
Just don't worry. Only a Padma madam is not going to give it. Huh? That I cannot do anything about. Huh?
Yeah.
I sent you this.
Oh, also, while calculating 2 decimal point is enough, right? Or
Yeah, 2 decimal is good enough. So you can buy this periodic table. Huh?
yeah.
I've
So the
sent
number of moles of carbon is 4.92.
4.92 for 3.60. Huh?
Yeah. B.
Yes, that is correct. Very good. Then part C.
That is that is 55.4. 55.44.
55.44 is yeah. 55 point. How many moles you got?
4.92.
Yeah. So if I multiply that, you multiply it by how much?
12.
So you got 59.04, huh?
55.44.
The moles you got are 0. You are using calculator?
Yeah.
Moles you got how many? The moles were 4.92, right?
Yeah.
So you again multiply 4.92 by 12.
Yeah.
Do it in the
Oh,
calculator.
the yeah,
See,
59.04.
59, right?
Yeah.
So initially it was incorrect, okay?
Yeah. I took it as 4.62. I didn't see that. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Should I
3.62.
4.61 also or
Sorry?
no 4.61 I have the
No, it was just 3.61, just leave it. 3.62 you do. That is your homework, 3.61.
Okay. So the balanced equation is 2mg plus O2 gives 2mgO.
Yes.
1 second, so I'll just close it.
Yeah. Take your time. See, we are doing all these problems so that you internalize this process, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just like when you walk, you don't think about walking, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
The same thing we do. That comes with practice.
Yeah. So what's for magnesium?
24 molar mass, right?
Yeah. So number of moles of oxygen is 0.5205. So 0.52 moles.
0. Okay. How many grams of oxygen are needed to react with 25 grams? That is the first question. And the other question is, how many grams of NGO will result, right?
Yeah, so that is 0.52 into 16. So 8.328 grams of oxygen.
Oh, how many moles you got for the part B? How many moles of O2 you got?
Of 0.52.
What is the molar mass of O2?
Oh, 16 into 2. Okay.
32.
Yeah, sorry.
No problem. No, sorry. Okay, just see that is how everyone learns. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So what are you getting as the molar mass of oxygen?
32, right? Because there are two oxygens, right?
Yeah.
So
No,
you
sorry.
multiply 32 gram per mole by whatever the number of moles you got. Huh?
Yeah, sorry. Number of moles of oxygen is 0.52, right?
Yeah. You just tell me the final answer.
Oh, okay. That is
How many gram of oxygen?
16.64.
Use a calculator.
Yeah. It's coming out as 16.64.
Yeah, that is correct.
Okay.
Then how many gram of MgO will result do this?
That will be 1 sec. — 1.04 moles of MgO, which will be 40.96 grams.
Okay, nice. This is correct. Now move to part C.
Uh, 37.44 grams of Mg, 44 grams.
For part C, huh?
Yeah, number of Mg. And how many grams of MgO is 1.56 moles, which will be 53.44 grams of MgO.
No, check it again.
Okay, that's it.
How many gram of Mg you got magnesium?
37.44.
Yeah, it's around about this. It's okay. Recheck MgO.
Okay. $48.96.
No. How many moles you are getting? Moles of Mg and MgO will be same, right?
Yeah, it is 1.56.
1.56. And what is the molar mass of MgO you are taking?
16 plus 24.
Is
40.
so you check it again, huh?
It keeps coming on as different one. It's 62.4.
So how is this coming different now?
Previously, I did the same thing, but I did 1.56 into
That is because we don't know how to use the calculators, okay?
okay, yeah.
Yeah, just do that, okay? You cannot do that like that, okay?
Yeah, no, I'm not used to using
Yeah. We learn, huh? Learn to use the calculator. You just first find the molar mass separately and then multiply, yeah? Okay?
Yeah, no, I did 1.56 into 24 plus 16. So
No, you have to, for that, if you want to do, you have to use the bracket, huh? You just cannot
yeah,
multiply like that. Okay. Do 3.64, huh?
yes.
Nice.
1 second, I'll just get a tissue.
Yeah.
Yes. 1 second.
Yeah.
Yes, so the balanced equation is 2HGO gives 2Hg plus O2.
Yes.
I'll just start solving. So while writing in school, right, I can just write like when I have to write stepwise, I can just directly write moles of Hg divided by 2 is equal to moles of oxygen divided by 1. I don't have to,
Yeah. You just do what we are doing here, okay?
yeah, but I don't have to write y and all, right? Just write the formula directly and go ahead.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
So like I don't have to write why I'm using this and all, right? I can just directly write the formula and go ahead.
Yeah, you just do whatever. Mole HgO equal to mole Hg by 2 and all that, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
And so what's Hg?
Mercury.
No, like the number.
What it is called? What are you asking? What is the term for it?
Uh,
Molar mass.
oh, just molar mass.
Yeah, it is called molar mass, huh?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What's the molar mass? So,
200.5.
oh, okay. Yeah, so for oxygen it's 0.244 and for mercury I got 2.807 grams.
How many grams of mercury and how many grams of oxygen are formed from
Yeah,
45.5 gram, right?
yeah.
So how many gram of O2 you got?
0.224 grams.
No. Do it again. For mercury, how much you took the molar mass?
0.014. Oh,
So,
molar mass
yeah.
200.5.
So the total, right, from the how many grams of mercury and how many grams of oxygen are from 45.45. So what are the number of moles for this? How did you calculate 45.5 gram divided by what number?
200.5 into 16.
Into.
Oh, plus 16.
Yes, 216.5. Huh?
Yeah, that's where it's gone wrong.
No problem, no problem.
Okay, so it's coming as 0.21 moles now.
Okay, then
Yeah, so for mercury, it will be 0.21 into 200.5, which is 42.105.
okay, that is correct for mercury.
And 1 second for oxygen, it is 0.21 divided by 2, 0.105 into 32, which is 3.36 grams.
For it is 3.36 gram O2. Yeah, that is correct. So now you got it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you have to do is for homework, you do this. No, leave it. Don't do this. Do this. This is one of your homework, and 3.61 is your homework. Okay.
Sure. Yes, I'll do it. So
And
3.10.
I've written homework. You can open it and you can see.
Oh, okay. Tell me that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So
what?
these are the homeworks, and then we meet, and then we'll learn new concepts. Okay, in the next class, huh?
Sure, sure.
Okay, take care and revise, huh? Okay, Ritika, you're doing good, huh? Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.